Hello, lovelies. You're all welcome to Delicious Kitchen. I'm happy to have you all here with me. Lovelies, we are cooking delicious, super yummy potatoes pottage. You need to try this. This is another great potatoes recipe. It's a must try for everyone. So let's get it started. Don't wonder. What you're seeing now is my leftover turkey from Christmas. If you have leftover, or you just feel like buying your fresh turkey or chicken, it doesn't matter at all. So I'm just going to get the part I'll be using. Chicken breast, turkey, even fish is perfect for this recipe. But like I've said, I'm using this leftover turkey. This is already roasted in the oven. Okay, so all I need to do at this time now is to dice the turkey. Okay, so I'm dicing the turkey now. Shout out to Matthew Juliana watching from Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. Thank you for liking our recipes. Please remember to leave a comment and let me know where you are watching from. You might be the next person I'll be giving a shout out to. Thank you. So that is our cubed turkey. It's already diced. Okay, so look at the size. It is perfect for the mouth size. Okay, so let's move on. That is the potatoes I'll be using today. They're already well washed. I brushed it and I rinsed it well. So it's now time to peel the potatoes. After peeling, all I need to do now is to dice the potatoes as well. Look at it. Let me show you the size. This is super okay like this. So after that, you continue the same process by peeling and dicing them. And that is our well diced potatoes. I'm going to keep them in water, and they have to be well rinsed, and they will remain in water till we need them. So let's move on. Now what I'm doing now is my onions. All I need to do with this onions is just to dice it as well. So lovelies, that is our diced onion. And I'll be using bell pepper, just only one for this recipe. You can use more if you desire, but I'll be using only one. You need to clean the bell pepper as well, very well. Remove the seeds, clean it well, and dice it as well. Just dice it, every vegetables we're using have to be diced. Now I'm transferring it into a bowl, and that is it. I'll be using 1 tomatoes, and that's my already diced tomatoes as well. And that is carrots. We're going to be using carrots as well. We need to peel the back, peel off the skin, and dice it as well by first of all cut it into 4, slice it into 4 like this, pack everything together and dice. It is very easy. This size is super. It is not too small. Okay, it is not small, it is not too big. So that is our diced carrots. Step 2, it's now the cooking of the pottage. Get a pot, transfer the well washed and diced potatoes into the pot, add salt into it, seasoning cube, thyme, curry, black pepper, and I'll be using this seasoning mixture. It is optional. Feel free to add any seasoning you are used to at home. Okay, I'm using this. I love it. So I'm adding diced onion direct into it now, and I'll be adding water into it. So all I need to do now is to cover and bring it to boil. So that is it. You can see it is now cooking. The water is boiled and it's now time to add the diced carrot into it. Add your diced bell pepper, diced tomato puree I'll be using today as well. You can use tomato paste and you can use freshly blended tomato as well. Now add chili powder for that heat vibe. If you want it hot, okay. If you want it spicy, now mix gently together. It's now time to add the roasted diced turkey or chicken or fish that you'll be using into it. Now after adding it to it, now it's time for vegetable oil. You can also use olive oil if you don't want to use vegetable oil, but I'm using vegetable oil today. Now cover and cook. Now everything is well cooked and tender at this stage. Let me show you. Look at it. Potatoes, those vegetables, they're all okay now. Now taste for salt and seasoning. Super yummy. So guys, let me show you. You can go ahead and serve it like this, but I'm not going to end it like this. Look at the water. I don't want it to be watery at all. What you need to do now is just get some flour, add water into it. That is all-purpose flour, just 2 tablespoonfuls. Add water and mix everything together. After that, add it into the pottage. Yes, add it into it and mix everything together. Okay, mix thoroughly. Mix it well. So when it is well mixed like this, it's now time to cover and simmer for about 5 minutes under low heat. After that, guys, now mix everything together again. Okay, look at it. Look at it. It's now time to serve this delicious potato pottage. It's a must try for everyone. Okay, look at it. It's not a must that you have to get a yam before you enjoy pottage. Try this one and you are going to love it. So where is my spoon? Join me. Oh, this is delicious. It is flavorful, tasty, a must try, like I've said. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, remember to share. God bless you. See you next time. Bye-bye.